On the 18th of Dhul Hijjah in the year 10 AH, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, declared Ali ibn Abi Talib as his successor at Ghadeer Khum in front of thousands of his followers. According to authentic Shia and Sunni sources, this momentous declaration sent shockwaves throughout the spiritual realm. The devil, the eternal adversary, was deeply disturbed by this event. It is narrated that the devil, who had been trying to mislead the followers of the Prophet, was furious. His schemes to sow discord and disunity were thwarted by the Prophet's clear and unequivocal endorsement of Ali as his successor. Desperate, the devil intensified his efforts to create doubt and discord among the Muslims. He knew that Ali's leadership rooted in justice and piety was a significant barrier to his plans. Yet the declaration at Ghadeer Khum stood as a beacon of truth, guiding those who sought righteousness and unity. The Prophet's words,
"Whomsoever I am the Mola, Ali is also their Mola,"
echoed through time, reaffirming the rightful path. It is told that the first person who took allegiance at Saqifa was the devil in the form of a man, as the Holy Prophet had warned Imam Ali. Eid al-Ghadir is not just a celebration of Ali's leadership, but also a reminder of the ongoing struggle against the devil's deceit. It symbolizes the triumph of truth over falsehood and the enduring legacy of the Prophet's message. Celebrate Eid al-Ghadir and remember the eternal struggle for truth and unity.